Do you know about your nervous system? The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which consists of all the nerves outside the CNS. The primary cells of the nervous system are neurons. There are approximately 86 billion neurons in the human brain, and each can form thousands of connections with other neurons. Nerve impulses can travel at speeds ranging from 1 to 250 miles per hour, 1.6 to 400 kilometers per hour, depending on the type of nerve fiber. Neurons communicate through junctions called synapses, where neurotransmitters are released to pass signals to other neurons. The nervous system has an incredible ability to adapt and reorganize itself, known as neuroplasticity, allowing the brain to adjust to new experiences, learn new skills, and recover from injuries. The peripheral nervous system includes the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary bodily functions like heart rate, digestion, and respiratory rate. This system is divided into the sympathetic, fight or flight response, and parasympathetic, rest and digest, systems. The human brain contains about 100 billion neurons and more than 100 trillion synaptic connections, making it one of the most complex structures in the known universe. It is protected by a specialized barrier called the blood-brain barrier, which prevents harmful substances in the blood from entering the brain while allowing essential nutrients to pass through. Reflexes, which are automatic responses to stimuli, are mediated by the spinal cord rather than the brain, allowing for quicker reactions. Additionally, the nervous system processes sensory information through specialized sensory neurons, such as photoreceptors in the eyes for detecting light and mechanoreceptors in the skin for sensing touch and pressure. The nervous system's intricate design and capabilities are crucial for virtually every aspect of our daily lives, from basic survival functions to complex thought processes. For more videos like, don't forget to subscribe our channel MedTrivia Time.